Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I am from CAD NEST. I am a CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. So let us start the video. Today I am just going to discuss about the ellipse in AutoCAD. So what is ellipse and how we are going to work with the ellipse here. So ellipse is nothing but, see, it is defined as a curve surrounding, okay, 2 points, 2 focal points. The shape of the ellipse is determined by the two of its axes, which defines the length and width. Okay, the ellipse is a general command to create ellipse on AutoCAD display. So now see here, now how we are going to create an ellipse here. Now I'll just show you this one. Now here you can see in the draw toolbar, here you can see this ellipse here, that where you can see this one, three types of ellipse. One is center axis, one is end axis, one is elliptical arc. Now I'm just going to take this first as in center axis. If I take the center ellipse, now see, before drawing, just see in the command bar that is asking to specify the center point of an ellipse. Now I'll just click on point of the ellipse here. Now he is asking that one more point of an axis, that is second end point on the axis. Now I'll just give an end point of an axis also. Let it be, I'll just give some axis end point here till this one. After that one, now see here, after that now it will create like a circle. Okay, now ellipse means it's not like a circle, it is like an oval shape. Now see, is asking in this one, now specify the distance to other axis. Now you can give a distance here. Suppose how much distance you want, you can give a distance. I'll just give one distance here. Now you can see this one, like that center axis you can create here. So same thing like that, only end axis is there here. So if I take this end axis from this, now is asking to select the end point of an axis. I'll click the end point. Now another end point I'll click here. After that you have to give an distance, how much distance you want, and if you want to give in horizontal or vertical, you can click the distance. So like that. And one more thing, see, in axis end you can create a center axis as well as arc axis also you can create. This is the difference between center axis and end axis, but both the same only, but in axis end you can create both, that is center and arc also you can create. Now let's say this one elliptical arc. So how this one elliptical arc will do? So now it's asking same thing, the point here, I'll click the point here. Next end point is asking, next we have to enter the distance here. After entering the distance, now see, in the arc it will ask a specify the start point is asking. Now I'll specify one start point for this, that suppose I'll just give this one as a 90-degree first axis. Now see, end axis is asking how much you want, you can enter the angle. So now I'll just give this one as a 275-degree. If I'll enter, now it will create one elliptical arc. So like that we are going to use this one as a ellipse. Okay, so thank you so much, hope you understand. Like our video, subscribe our channel. For more information, follow like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.